Alright, let us see this question now. A gas is liberated immediately with a brisk effervescence when you add acetic acid to sodium hydrogen carbonate powder in a test tube. Name the gas and describe the how we can confirm the identity of gas. So gas is liberated immediately with a brisk effervescence. Let us see what gas is liberated when sodium hydrogen carbonate powder is taken in a test tube. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, how we write? We write it as NaHCO3, and when you add acetic acid to it, that is CH3COOH. Acetic acid is added to it, what it forms? This forms CH3COONA plus H2O plus CO2. So what gas is formed? The gas which is formed is carbon dioxide. Name the gas. Name of the gas is carbon dioxide. Describe the test to confirm the identity of the gas, that is CO2. What test we are performing? Test for CO2. Test for CO2. It turns lime water milky. Turns lime water milky. It turns lime water milky. This is the test for gas. Coming to the next question. Next question, name any one metal which can be extracted by reduction with carbon. What metal we can react with carbon? That is, we can reduce zinc oxide with carbon. Alright, reduction with carbon, we can use zinc oxide. We can also use magnesium oxide. So all these metals we can reduce it with carbon. Even iron also we can use Fe2O3, this plus carbon. When you add, this will form CO plus Fe. Electrolytic reduction, when you are doing electrolytic reduction, so this is for the very active metals such as sodium or potassium. So what we do is we take NaCl and we perform electrolysis of this. These are very reactive metals, and we take this NaCl in the fused form, not in the aqueous form. We take it in the fused form. When you do electrolysis of this, this will form sodium plus chlorine is liberated. Alright, similar is it is with potassium also. Then reduction with aluminium. With aluminium, Fe2O3 also. With aluminium, we can write Fe2O3. More reactive metal, that is aluminium, we will add to it. What it will do? This will become Al2O3 plus Fe will come out. Fe will come out like this way. Alright, so that is then reduction with heat alone. With heat alone, what we can do? That is cinnabar, HGS. HGS, when you heat this HGS in the presence of oxygen, then what will happen? This will become Hg plus SO2 will come out. SO2 will come out. So that is reduction with carbon. We can reduce zinc oxide, magnesium oxide with carbon. Electrolytic reduction, very reactive metals such as sodium and potassium. Reduction with aluminium, Fe2O3 plus Al, this will form Al2O3. Al will displace Fe from its oxide. Then reduction with heat alone, that is cinnabar. Cinnabar, which is a ore of mercury. Cinnabar on roasting, this becomes Hg plus SO2. Write a chemical equation for any of the above 4 parts. So it is written any of the above 4 parts I have written for all. Alright. Then state which of the following chemical reaction will take place or not, giving reasons, suitable reasons for each. Alright. So which reactions will take place? Let us see which reactions will take place. Copper sulfate. This is again copper sulfate. This is much below in the reactivity series, and zinc is very reactive. So this will definitely, zinc will displace copper sulfate, and this will become, this reaction will take place. Alright. Fe in zinc sulfate. Fe in zinc sulfate. For this, let us write the reactivity series again. That is potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead. Then you get hydrogen and copper, hydrogen, then copper, silver, gold, platinum, and so on. Alright, so over here, Fe and zinc. So zinc is more, zinc is in the higher up in the reactivity, it is more reactive than iron. So this reaction, Fe will not be able to displace zinc. So this reaction will not take place. Zinc plus FeSO4, this reaction will take place. So what our answer will be? That reactions A and C will take place because zinc is more reactive than copper and iron. Therefore, it will displace these metals from their salts. This will displace these metals from their salts. Alright. Okay. Coming to the next question. Zinc metal is added to dilute hydrochloric acid and the gas evolved is. Which gas is evolved when zinc metal is reacted with dilute hydrochloric acid? We know that when metals, they are reacted upon with an acid, the gas evolved is hydrogen. This becomes ZnCl2 plus hydrogen is evolved. So the right answer is that hydrogen is evolved. Okay, coming to the next question. In column 1, different methods of extraction are given, and name the method of extraction of metals given, used for the extraction of metals given in column 2. Alright, we have to match this column 1 with column 2. So reduction with carbon will take place for which metals? For zinc. We can write that zinc reduction with math. ठीक है ये बीच में